evolution of the supply chain management, it came up with the craft production. People used to produce the handcraft woven goods. Many people, they were actually very illiterate people. When our forefathers were there, they used to make the craft production. People used to use the handcrafted groups. Afterwards, when a lot of people came together and started working together, and the labor was divided, the work was distributed. So this many laborers is going to work, produce the product. This is the labor will do quality check of the product. This is going to make the finished goods, and the labor was divided actually. So this kind of labor will do only this task, this kind of labor will do only this task, this kind of labor will do only this task. So the tasks were divided. So the division of labor came into existence after the craft production. And after that, interchangeability of the parts, standardization of the parts also came, the replacement of the parts also came uh, into consideration. For example, rubber was invented, and it was replaced by many kind of products where the rubber was used. It reduced the cost also, and it also improved the life of the product. So different, whenever if you assemble any kind of product, it consists of, say, iron, steel, or something else. Steel was replaced with the iron. A lot of substitutes were invented, so that it was easy to save the cost, as well as to improve the life cycle of the product, as well as it was available in the mass. The people started using different kind of interchangeable products uh, in the management. So, and the next part of the interchangeable parts, the next thing which came into the market was, I'll show you. So the first was craft production, second division of labor, third is interchangeable of parts, and the fourth evolution which came about the scientific management. The scientific management is nothing but the system analysis of the work methods. People started working systematically. Now the science came into existence. The diesel machines were formed, and the machinery came into existence. When the machinery came into existence, the mass production or the high volume production started. Mass market began. Mass market, and the people started demanding more and more, and the mass production came into existence. And when the mass production came into existence, the later the quality started depreciating. For that, lean production came, so that the adaptation of the mass production, as well as the flexibility, came into existence. The flexibility of producing the customized product, as per demand of the customers. This customization is done in the lean production techniques. So this is how there is involvement. After division of, first was the craft, second was about the division of the labor, then came the uh, scientific management, then mass production, and then the lean production. This is how there is the evolution of operations management, and supply chain management is considered. And later on, the world is changing so fast that different techniques came into existence after the lean production also. And nowadays we can see, I'll show you over the next slide, that